In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send message on Whatnot 2026, step by step. If you've ever needed to reach a buyer, a seller, or a fellow collector on Whatnot, this walkthrough will take you smoothly from the homepage to sending a clear, professional message. Start by opening whatnot.com in your browser or launching the Whatnot app. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Once you're on the homepage, give the page a moment to load your personalized feed. We're heading to the messaging area, so turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where the main menu lives, and it's also where you'll find your message controls. Click Inbox. This opens your messages view, where you can see any existing conversations. To start a brand new one, look for the Compose button. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a word or a small plus icon. Click it to open a new message window. In the To field, begin typing the username of the person you want to contact. Spelling matters here, so type slowly and watch for the autocomplete suggestions that appear as you type. If you spot the correct account in the suggested list, select it. A quick tip. Glance at the profile picture and handle to confirm you've got the right user, especially if multiple accounts have similar names. Next, choose Start Message. This creates the conversation thread and places your cursor in the message box. Now craft your note. Keep it concise, friendly, and specific. State what you need, include relevant context, like an order number or stream title if applicable, and avoid sharing any sensitive personal information. Clear messages get faster, better responses. When you're happy with what you've written, click Send. Your message will appear in the thread immediately and you can monitor any replies right here in your inbox. If you need to follow up later, just return to Inbox from the top right menu and select the conversation to continue chatting. That's all there is to it. Go to Whatnot, open the inbox, compose, pick the right recipient, start the message, type your note, and send. With these steps, you'll be communicating confidently on Whatnot in no time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to see a specific click or screen again. You'll also get notifications when they reply, so you won't miss a thing.